Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you're all doing well. Apologies if you can hear wind in the background. The weather's gone absolutely on its head, so it's like totally different weather today. So it's really loud, and the sun has gone. So I thought I would do a cool toned look, seeing as we're back to the gloomy weather. Hopefully it won't stay. Oh, here comes the wind again. But anyway, yeah, I thought I would do a more cool toned look. So I used the Subculture palette because I've not used it for a while. My cat's being crazy. Yeah, so I thought I would use the Subculture palette because I've not used it in a while. But obviously there are dupes out there if you wanted to copy this look but not use that palette. Makeup Revolution has a really good one. So yes. If you'd like to know how I did today's look, then please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy today's video, please let me know down below what you thought about it. Give the video a like and please do subscribe. Also, please do click the bell icon because YouTube's glitching up again. You know how it is. I won't get into it, but yeah, so if you do enjoy my videos, please do click the notification bell. Yeah, it just means that you get a notification when I upload, and it just means that like you will stay subscribed to me, and it's just like a better way of getting your like subscriptions. Obviously it's up to you, but I would appreciate it very much. And yes, without further ado, we will get straight into the video. Okay, so the palette we're going to go in with today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I'm lucky enough that I got a good... If you do not, then Makeup Revolution has a dupe and the eyeshadows are really nice, so you could always use that one. Or if you have like another palette with some greens, you know, you could use that one as well. But I'm just going to use this one for today. And then, so the first shade I'm going to go into is the shade Untamed, which is right here. And I'm just going to start packing that through the crease. I'm then going to go into this yellow shade, which is called Edge, and I'm going to use this to blend out that green. I am then just going to go into a little bit of Destiny as well, just to help blend. So I'm going to mix that in with that yellow shade. And then I'm going to go straight into some concealer and just start cutting out the crease. I'm sorry if you can hear like bells. Oh my god! I've got hissing cats. Apologies if you can hear cats in the background. She's being crazy. There's wind. Shush! She just looked at me like, what? Basically there's loads of wind outside, like really strong winds, and if anyone's got cats, like it makes them go crazy. I don't know why. I think it's because they can like hear something but they don't know what it is. But yeah, so... Oh, she's meowing now. I'm then going to go into the shade Axis, which is this dark green, and then the shade Rowdy as well, just to deepen up that crease a little bit more. So I'm just going to go over it with a really detailed brush and then cut the crease again if necessary. I'm then going to go into the shade Electric, which is this shimmer shade, and I'm just going to put that all over where we cut the crease. Oh my god, the wind! Can you hear this wind? And my cat's meowing, she doesn't know what's going on. I'm then going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner. This is in Midnight Cowboy. And I'm just going to use this to line the cut crease just at the top. I'm then going to take the Super Cat liner by Soap and Glory and just do a quick wing. I haven't done a wing in a while. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm going to go into the NYX Slide On, Glide On pencil. This is in Tropical Green, and I'm just going to run this on the waterline. How nice is that pencil though? Stunning. And then I'm going to blend that out with the shade Axis so that we've got like a different green on the lower lash line to the top. Just adding a little bit of something different. And then I'm just going to buff it out with a fluffy brush. I haven't got any more product on this, just whatever's left. And then I'm just going to apply some mascara and apply the Cocoa Lashes in the Style Queen Bee. Okay, so they are the eyes done. I'm going to go and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give the video a like, leave me a comment down below, and please do subscribe. Also, please click the notification bell if you don't want to miss any videos, because you may. But obviously it's totally up to you, and I appreciate anything you do anyway. Even if you've just watched this video, thank you so much, because it does obviously add to the channel. And honest to God, yeah, if you can hear bells or anything, my cats will not stop being noisy. Like, they're going out of their way today to ruin my video. Oh. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in a few days. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.